Okay, so this is problem number 4 on the chapter 12 homework. So this is a pizza, and then they cut out a little circle from it. So the original pizza has radius r, and the center mass is right here at the C. And then the little circle pizza they take out has radius r over 2. So that means that the center of mass is now right here, and it's the C prime. So we want to prove that the distance between C and the C prime is r over 6. So we want to find like the change in the center of masses. So we just we're going to count this kind of as a negative mass, and then this is like the initial. So m1, x1, just the big one, minus m2, x2, which is the little hole, and then over m1 minus m2. Okay, and then, so we're going to say we're just going to call it big M, and that's going to be each unit of mass of the pizza, so that's basically m over L. So the big M is, well, okay, so we're going to use big M times pi, and then the radius r squared, because that's the area times the mass, which is the unit mass, which is the mass for overall. And then multiply it by x1 minus m pi, and then this one's r over 2 squared, because that's r over 2, and then x2 over m pi r squared minus m pi times r over 2 squared. And then, okay, so for the x, the x for this one is going to be 0, because it's just right at the center, and that's where we're starting. So 0 minus m pi r over 2 squared. This x is going to be negative r over 2, because we're going this way from our point that we're starting. So negative r over 2 over m pi r squared minus m pi r over 2 squared. Okay, and then, so now this goes away. So we have m pi r cubed over 8 over m pi times r squared minus r squared over 4, which is going to be, cross these out, r cubed over 8 over 3 r squared over 4 equals r cubed over 8 times 4 over 3 r squared, which equals r over 6. That's number 4.